In this video, we will learn about arrays. So what are arrays? An array is a collection of items stored at contiguous memory locations. Contiguous memory locations basically means continuous memory locations. An array stores multiple items of the same type together, which means that if it is an integer array, it will only store values of integer type, and if it is an float type array, then it will only store float type variables. Now this is the memory representation of a single dimensional array. As you can see that the numbers are stored in continuous memory locations, and the memory locations depends upon the type of the variable stored. If it is a float type variable, and suppose the memory is stored, and suppose the first element is stored at memory location 200, then the next will be stored at 204, considering that a float variable is of 4 byte, and each element of the array has an index using which we can access the array element. We will learn about accessing array elements in a later video. Now, types of array. There are two types of array, namely single dimensional array and multidimensional array. Multidimensional array is simply an array of arrays. Now, advantages of using arrays. Arrays allow random access to elements. This makes accessing elements by position faster. Arrays represent multiple data items of the same type using a single name. Disadvantages of using arrays. You cannot change the size of an array once it is declared, and insertion and deletion are difficult as the elements are stored in consecutive memory locations. Now, how to declare an array? The syntax to declare is data type followed by the array name followed by the array size. Now, let us look at the code where we are declaring an array. In this code, we have an integer array of the size 5, and within it are the elements 5, 78, 90, 35 and 40, and we will print all these elements. Now in order to print these variables, we need to run a for loop from 0 to less than 5. Now this I is actually the index of the array elements, and we will discuss about them in the next video. But for now, let's print the program, and as you can see, all the array elements are printed. And that's all for now. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.